Hello, my name is Peter Downey, and I'm going to quickly show you how to set up WordPress. So you want to log in with Secure Shell. I have 4 windows with Secure Shell to show you the different things, and one of them has been logged into MySQL. So the first thing you want to do is, this is what the site's going to be, wp1.peterdowney.com, and it comes up with just peterdowney.com because that's what the server defaults to. Anyways, you want to go to type in WordPress download into Google, and then it'll come up with this page, and you want to copy the link of the tar.gz, and then I'm going to use the folder var.www to create the new folder for the new subdomain of my website. So you type in wget, and then you paste in site, and it downloads it, and then type in ls, and now we need to extract it, so we use tar xvf and then WordPress, and it extracts all those files, and now we've got a WordPress folder. So let's remove the tar.gz. It's gone, and I want to rename the WordPress to mp1, so move WordPress from there to wp1, sorry, and there we go. And then I want to change the permissions so that it can install. I'm going to do something kind of dangerous, and chmod 777, you actually might want to limit it to not full permissions to do anything, but you can ask me about that if you don't understand. And then wp1, and now that file's ready to go, but it still won't work because you need to go into here, and the folder you need to go into is etc apache 2 sites enabled. There are other folders or files that will work, but this is the one I'm going to use. And you can add actually additional files here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this default one. So I'm going to open a program called vi, and you need sudo, otherwise you can't save. So there are 2 items you need in a virtual host. It's document and server name, and I'm going to put it into a virtual host block. Now you type in virtual host, and I want everything on port 80, and I'll close this virtual host. And the document root is where the files are stored, so remember we put it in wp1, and the server name is wp1.peterdowney.com. okay, if I haven't misspelled anything, you want to write and quit, which is wq. Now sudo service apache 2 restart, and it looks good. So let's go up here and try it out. Okay, so you got to create a database to store this data in, so I'm going to call it wp1, and the username will be default user, which is just my custom name for it. I'm going to do something hackish here, and I'm going to actually change this field to a password field, so that you can't see my password, and localhost and wp1. So I'm going to type in my password. I'll be right back. Okay, I've typed in my password. Now none of this will work because I haven't actually created any of the stuff, so let's go to show into MySQL, which you can log in like this from your secure shell, and I want to see show databases, and we're going to create database wp1. So that's got this set up. Now I need to grant usage on it, so, or grant permissions anyways. I'm going to do all, not just usage. On the database wp1 and all the tables to default user. Okay, so that should be good. So let's go to submit. It says everything's good, so run the install. Say, I'm going to call it WP1 and me, and just a junk password because I'm not going to keep this install. And there we go, it's installed.